So, it's another unfortunately quick workshop Wednesday because I'm still busy on this clearance job, but there's a reason I'm pointing the camera at her. It's been a long time coming. It's been a monumental headache. It's here. We have finally got the radiator. This is actually the radiator that came off her, but we've had it refurbished. You might just want to see these pictures. So that was the baffles in the top tank, assumingly done when it had a previous recore. The lad that left it with, he left his young lad to strip it down and sort of get it ready for refurbishment, and he got greeted with basically that tank left that way up with a big sign saying WTF. So we have no idea what's happened to that, but if you're in the Cheshire, North Wales area and you want, and I'll be quite honest, absolutely gorgeous as new job done on your radiator. Hey, da-dum. That, boys, is the place to go. North Wales Radiators Limited. He did say, hey, I could do this. So there you are. You've got the address there, the postcode, the telephone number. I mean, that is... The radiator, I quite admittedly, was in an absolute state. And, well, he's just done... I can't even see where it's been repaired. He's done an absolutely gorgeous job on that. It looks absolutely fantastic. Where was our repair? That side. Yeah. All down here and all down here. And all this was all splayed out. So now all I need to do is get the time, focus, to get it all back together. Oh, I don't know what I've done with my camera. Is that better? You're not standing on your head now. So yeah, over the moon. But there is more yet. Hang on a minute. So, nipped into Bargain Booster on my way back. Got myself some gin. Lovely wife some vodka. And a parcel from DPD, which is the last of the bits for the topper. So we've actually got all the bits needed to repair all the broken things except the Massey, because I need to go see my mate and see if I can rob his starter motor. But yes, it's a bit short, bit random, but very exciting times because we actually have all the bits to sort out, nearly all the bits. That's it. I know it's a bit quick one, bit of a weird one. My van is an absolute state at the moment. I need to get that sorted when I get 5 minutes. But stay safe, stay well. Don't forget to give a grubby thumbs up. Look after yourself, guys, and we'll see you at the weekend. Not quite sure what I'm going to do for the weekend yet, but we'll find out soon enough.